And stay with earnings corner. Drug major Sun Pharma reported a mixed bag of first quarter numbers. ARCHANA SHUKLA now joining us with her analysis. ARCHANA, before the results were announced about 10 days back, Dilip Shanghvi and Sun Pharma had warned the street not to expect too much from this quarterly performance. Did it play according to script?
Well, for this quarter, it's pained on net profit, but operationally, a good quarter for Sun Pharma. Well, as you rightly pointed out, the street was estimating quite a subdued performance post the guidance cut announced in July, but margins and revenue surpassed those tweaked estimates as well. Just a caveat, we're looking at a sequential comparison because that is more reasonable post-Ranbaxy merger, at least for this quarter. So the biggest miss definitely was the 46% drop sequentially in net profit, impacted by the one-time exceptional loss of 685 crore rupees, which the company says it represents impairment charges on Ranbaxy merger. It is a goodwill write-down as part of consolidation and rationalization of its combined manufacturing footprint. So Sun is assessing to shut down some plants both from Sun and Ranbaxy's list, and the provision have been made to account for that in this quarter. Now, management also alluded that some of these charges will recur in the near future. Positive surprise was the nearly 10% jump sequentially in consolidated total income. Even EBITDA margins at 27.5%, almost double of the 14.5% recorded last quarter, which is Q4 of FY15, is a beat on street estimates. Consolidated EBITDA stands at 1,859 crore rupees versus 892 crore last quarter. Other items that impacted profitability were sharp dip in other income to 105 crore owing to forex fluctuations and a higher tax expense at 226 crore rupees. For Sun's, the largest market, which is US, the sales there were flat on a sequential basis and reported a 4% drop year-on-year owing to continued pricing pressures on key drugs and supply constraints from Halol plant. On a positive side, Sun said that supply from Halol has improved in the last few weeks, and they expect the trend to continue in the coming quarters. India business grew 11% year-on-year, but emerging markets felt the pain of currency fluctuations and strategic decision of the company to skip some low-margin tenders. So a mixed bag overall, compliance and integration weighing heavy on the numbers for this quarter, but the company said it is a short-term impact. Listen into the management.
We are going through some short-term pain, but I am confident that in long term, both the quality of our business will improve and we will get back to the historical growth that Sun used to have.